Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with the last unboxing, unbagging of our PR opening from beebeecraft.com. Thank you so much beebeecraft for allowing me to do this with you. I'm really excited. And here's the last thing. Yeah, that's the last thing. It is a set of really pretty beads. Aren't those beautiful? I absolutely love those colors. So let's just quickly take them out of the bag. And look how pretty those are. These are beautiful. They feel like stone beads. Like, you know, when you can buy the stones, like the gemstones, they almost feel like that. They're nice and cool to the touch. They feel really nice. I think these are glass beads. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I have to go check it out. But they are beautiful. Look at those colors. I love these colors so much. I'm almost tempted to just string these onto a necklace for myself. So pretty, you guys. So pretty. But I will probably use these for earrings or a bracelet. Really gorgeous. Oh, I just love these colors. All right, so let's go over to the website and see what we can see about these. All right, so they look quite different on the website than they do in real life. I'm going to put my glasses on. They are much more beautiful in real life than they are on the website, you guys. These are so pretty in real life. The website does not do these justice. I'll try to go close up so you could get an idea of what I'm talking about. Aren't these beautiful? All right, you guys. So, on the website, these are called the Honey Handy Crackle Glass Beads. Round, mixed color, 8 to 8.5 millimeters with a 1 millimeter hole. It says about 48 pieces per strand, 14.7 inches, and they were $2.09 US. And this is really nice. I've seen strands like this at Michael's that cost a lot more than $2.09 US. I'm not sure what that would be in Canadian, but these are so pretty. I'm really loving these colors. This reminds me of camp. Beautiful, you guys. So pretty. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with these, but I'll definitely make something. Maybe earrings or a bracelet, or I'm not sure. They are just stunning. All right, you guys, that was the last item from beebeecraft. beebeecraft, thank you so much again. I really appreciate you sending me these beautiful items. I'm really looking forward to making something with these. Yeah, these are so pretty. All right, guys, so if you are interested in ordering something, I will put the link below, and you can save 10% off your order by putting Cat10, and that is good for 2 years. And also, if you are interested in doing a cooperation with them, if you have at least 100 subscribers on your channel, you can contact them and see if you can do one too. And I'll put that information below. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.